anyone who knows me knows that I love cookies, and that what they might not know is that I'm also pre-diabetic. So um, we don't have a lot of cookies around the house because the wife doesn't like it to be around the house, doesn't like for me to have them. But I do like having cookies as I work and as I tinker and do things. And so I thought that I would make something that first would hide the cookies from my wife so she wouldn't give me a hard time about it. But secondly, be responsible and only give me cookies, every now and again. Something that moved really, really, really slow. So I built the Oreo-Scope. And basically it's a piece of benchtop equipment that kind of looks like it would be used for something for sure. She's already been out here and already saw this and had no idea what this was and didn't care, looked right past it, even put, her hand near it and just paid it no attention, like it was invisible. So the magic of this thing is that it is a, little meter of some sort. It's all fake, of course. It's actually a cookie holder, a cookie safe, if you will. And the trick with it is that you can turn it on and you can hear the gears turning inside. And, to the person that doesn't know would just be like, oh, that's making a weird noise. And it has a light saying that it's on. So those are a nice function. That motor that you hear is actually turning a gear, and it's going to dispense a cookie every so often. But first you have to actually open it up and get into the safe. So the first thing you need to do is it's kind of like a puzzle box. So, all of these things don't really turn without, there's a fuse, there's a gauge, and then there's these knobs here, but, nothing really moves. So if somebody came and pulled on it, it won't open, it won't do anything. So what you have to do is you have to actually remove the fuse. Pull the fuse out, and that unlocks it. And you then are able to turn these knobs and thus pull forward on the face, and I can get a cookie. I now have to wait for the next cookie to come around, so I'll turn it on right now so that my son will get a cookie at some point here. But thanks for watching.